Selecting the elements in Revit is not an easy job. Sometimes you need to select elements, but they are not selected as you wish. So it becomes very difficult to select whatever you want. To make it simple, I am going to show you some ways how to select. First method is about the windows of the selection, that just click it and make a rectangle from here, and whatever is intersected by this window and whatever is present in this window, everything will be selected. So this window starts from this selection windows start from right and go towards the left. Now if you want to deselect, one method is you can go for escape, or you can click anywhere else in the Revit. Now the second way, if you don't want to select everything and you want to select some of the things which are already present there, then you can go, just if I want to select the furniture and doors, so how can I do it? So for this I can go from left to right. The selection window will select only the things which are already in that, but will not select the things which are not present, which are present outside the window, and will not select whatever it intersects. It will only select the elements which are already present in the window. So these are the two methods. Now another method is manual selection, and if you want to select more things, for example, I want to select my furniture and move it by 1 or 2 feet. So how will I select it? First of all, I will select one, but if I will select the second, this one, then the first selection will be gone. And if I will select this one, then all of the selections will be gone. So the best way is select one, then go to control and the select second, and then go to control again and the select whatever you want to select. You can select all the things. And now if you will move, they all will move same direction and same distance. So if I will move one thing there, everything will be moved, which I don't want to. So the second thing is that if I have selected many things, if I have selected thing is that if I have selected many things, but I want to deselect them, then how will I do it? So first of all, I want to select the furniture, but I have used this window and I have selected number of things which I don't want to select. So the best method is here is that use shift. Just and I want to deselect the elements from here. So I can put shift, click shift and elements which I want to deselect, like this, this window, this wall, whatever I want to deselect, I can simply click shift, continuously click shift, and then I can click the elements which I don't want to select. So now it is easy. Uh, I can also deselect these two doors, one and two. So if you want to eliminate the selection, the best way is to click shift and then click the elements which you want to select. Sometimes things are very complicated and you want to select some of them, then the best way is first of all, uh, put your cursor on whatever you want to select one, and you can see that something is highlighted. There may be two, three, and number of things. If the exact thing is highlighted which you want to select, then you can simply click it. Or it is very important for the beginners to have the expertise in selecting the materials when they want to start it. It will help them a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and I will tell you other techniques so that you can become a perfect and expert instead of the beginner. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe.